doing a scramble, that's all.
Yeah.
Anyone want to scramble this a bit more?
Sure.
Thank you. And I'll give this to go. Right, let's put this
Hang
in.
on. 2 by 2 groups. Here you
Okay,
go.
thank you.
I was just going to go check what 2 by 2
Yeah.
groups.
Alright. I do not know whether I have enough phone memory for this. We'll see. Is that the yeah. Good. It's the red. Place. Yeah. Oh, it's the orange. Oh, right. Let's get that this way then.
So, have you completed yet?
I'm not in the group
Oh.
yet.
Very inefficient cross here. But it'll do. Don't really mind too much. Yeah. I don't often do U2s while juggling. I did then. That's good. Okay, good. Oh, another one. Hey. I'll roll now. Okay, that's it. Cross done. Now, what's the best? Fine. Is it very good to do that? Probably not, actually. Too much very good. This is where it gets a bit tricky. You've got the blue. Oh, actually, that's not too bad at all.
Remember to check anything.
Aha. Very good. And where is the white piece to go back? That's the one, yeah, that's the one. Right, where do I just go now? One Is the blue orange in?
He's jumping around too fast, miss.
Sorry?
I'm trying to get a hand of it. He's going over stuff.
Got to do, actually that's quite a nice one. Yeah, that's fine. Oh no, that's not right. Turn that back. Round that way. Okay, alright. I'll do that way instead. That's that way. Okay, I've got the red and the blue side. Realise why my most successful cube jugglers today have been outside. It's because light levels are really good. Now, I'm not to blame my tools or anything, but in here it's a bit dark. Okay, that's fine. Where's that green rake gone?
Lighting makes a big difference.
Sorry?
Lighting makes a big difference.
Yeah.
I find it hard to shoot on this at night because One fledgling is weak and the colours are the same.
Yeah. Oh. Oops. Oh, that's good. Oops. Struggle with that for some reason. Oh. Green red this time. Yeah, it's going in the moment. Yeah, green red's in. That is the excellent gift. Got free pair. Pair number 4. Is it green or is it orange on the sides? Fine. Good.
Nearly there. Nearly there. Keep going.
Well, I've got to F to L. Sorry, got to O L. There we are. Ah, it's a dot.
Oh no.
I've got to do...
Sledge in the last pair, always do that.
Sorry?
Sledge in the last pair if it looks like it'll be a dot. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to learn how to do the algorithm one move at a time.
Yep. Okay. Do that. Yep, that's it. And this one goes double. Oh, actually, I think I'm getting this one together. The question is where to go next. Oh, there it goes. That's that. Okay. Here we are. Okay. What's next? Nope, that's not right. Oh, it is, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay. All right. PLL. I did the dot case. I don't know if the camera's still rolling by now. Right, what have we got now? It is got a blue line there. That's how am I going to do it? This way. Okay. It's you, Perm.
Yeah, 2 seconds after the hat. Like how you get 1 second song. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh yeah. What's
Yes. Thank you, Stevenage. Number 6, full scramble solve while juggling. With a bit of an audience. And a dot case as well for OLL. So, for the record, whilst it is not WCA official yet, it will be one day.
What do you mean it will be one day?
Just did it, full scramble. Number 6. Pretty tired now, and next time I'm at Stevenage, who knows, maybe it's going to be 3 fully scrambled cubes while juggling. And probably a whole host of other fun things too. Thanks for watching. Until next time.